imagePROGRAF. The TA series. TA series printers meet versatile printing needs for a wide range of businesses with high-quality prints. High-end core technologies. Core technologies inherited from the high-end models deliver excellent performance. Air feeding system. A suction fan inside the platen unit holds the paper in place to prevent the paper from floating up, keeping it flat. That maintains a consistent height between the print head and the paper. Ink is precisely placed, making high-quality prints. 5-color Lucia TD pigment ink set. Matte black ink. It helps decrease bleeding with low-cost plain paper and produces crisp lines and sharp text for drawings, and also clear black text and lines for posters and graphics. Color and black ink. For glossy paper, the Lucia TD ink helps make the printed surface smooth, which helps create posters and graphics with more uniform glossiness. Since pigment stays close to the media surface, colorful posters can be produced on plain paper. Convenient, office-friendly printing. Quiet operation. Significant reduction of platen fan, paper feeding, and cutting noise, while keeping high-quality printing at fast speeds. That helps allow for less distracting printing next to your desk for architecture, engineering, and construction. Accurately reproduce technical drawings, architectural renderings, and Gantt charts. For creative and design agencies, glossy graphics with beautiful photos, progress charts, and eye-catching posters. And in corporate offices, presentations with clear text and attention-grabbing in-house signage. For retail, vibrant point-of-purchase signs with realistic renderings of products and business charts shared with staff. For education, vivid classroom posters, banners for events, and class schedules. Bring your printing in-house with the TA series.
Canon, delighting you always.